Today's video, we're going to be installing some new taillights. Let's do it! Got these sent to me from Autoone and they look really good. These taillights I got off Amazon and they leaked instantly. I even sealed them with full silicone. They did not do well. They're fogging up, they're garbage quality. So I was really excited when they said they wanted to send me something. I went for these because I need them. I'm really excited to put them on. Now, a little bit different of stuff here. This taillight has hyper flash now, so the resistor's not working. That's why I wanted to get these new ones. Really nice. They come with the lights in. You don't have to do anything except unplug your old ones and install them. Now, this is the thing here. We got a little instruction piece. These ones had double-sided tape. These ones you're actually gonna have to mount. So guys, all you do to remove these is a T20 torch bit, and they're out in literally 2 seconds. Oh, that's simple. So what I actually had to do for these lights is I drilled a hole through them and then put a zap through them because my clips are broken. All the wheeling and stuff, you start to get delicate plastic pieces. Is the first thing it says to do. Screw your resistor to the plate. Bada bing, we're gonna come in here. I'm gonna screw them in here. All right, I got it all done, guys. As you can see here, we got it screwed in, and then on our little mount, we'll put this somewhere, I guess. I think I'll just double-side tape it or something somewhere in here. I don't know. But I just want to make sure it works. So, okay, guys, I got it all wired up, and let's see how it works here. So, get inside. Start with the hazards. Oh, okay. I like that. Wow. Different style, I like it. Wow, that looks good. That's sick. Way brighter, holy. I mean, those actual ones are really bright too. Wow, that's pretty cool. I think there's a ring around it. Let's turn on the lights here. Okay, that is freaking cool, guys. Look at that. Those are some unique lights. As you can see, left versus right. This whole thing lights up. I'm not sure what the reverse light is on this. I'm not sure if the reverse light is actually just a bulb or if it's LED. So let's try the reverse here. We're just gonna throw it in. All right, look past this guy here. Look at that, LED reverse lights, 4 pods, fits right in there. And then I'm assuming our blinker fits right in that outline. And our brake light will be the blinker. These are sweet, guys. Honestly, the coolest taillights I've had. So as we're doing this, I just want to show you guys what I did with the thing here. Now you can actually screw this through the plate. You can see the resistor there. The plate's just zapped through. I drilled through the plate, took those 2 things off and just drilled it there. No wiggle at all, so I'm happy with that. Okay, this side's fully on. Let's do this side. Okay, they're both ready. Let's do this. Throw this up. Oh yeah. Blacked out. Let's go. It's time. It is time. Oh, look at me, eh? Gloss coat. Holy, those are dark. Those look so good. Holy smokes. And I love how bright the lights are underneath. Like when you stop, you're gonna see it. They're not just little dull ones. You can see the outline there too. Freaking got my hand during all that. But that looks too clean for the rig, to be honest. They're so glossy, guys. Like, look, you can see me walking by it. It's the cleanest thing on my truck by far. And then in the light, you can actually see the inside. Now, obviously, if it's dark, you're gonna have your running lights on anyways. They'll never be black like this unless it's sunny out, which doesn't matter. You can still see the brake lights. But man, that cleans up the rig. Alright guys, so here's the running light on. I think these look cool, and they're freaking by far the best taillights I've had on this thing. And I'm really happy with them so far. Only time will tell how long they'll last. Thank you to Autoone for sending these out for me to try. I'm impressed so far, and if you guys want to get these, you can get 15% off using my coupon code CARFLEET. I'll leave the link below and everything. And I know there's been a lot of brand deals lately. I don't have any other stuff to do to the Ram right now because the Bronco's kind of the main project. So thank you everybody so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys subscribe if you want to see the Ram hit the trails. We should be going this next video, so stay tuned. Thank you so much. Peace.